To the back. Rock it back. Rock it up. Right foot, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, and tap, tap, touch, forward, pivot, slow rock, walk it, 7, 8, lock it, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, and we run, left, right, basic, slow, quick, slow, quick, rock, step, rock it out, rock it, and tap, alright, 6, 7, and 8, and sweep, restart the dance. Let's practice it again. Rock, recover on counts. 5, 6, 7, and 8, sweep left, sweep, start again. 1 and 2. I wish they were at the front.